Hi everyone, it's Tactical Knives UK here. Today we're just going to be showing you the CIVIVI Praxis Damascus folding knife that comes in purple G10. As with all CIVIVI knives, it comes in a nice protective case. You get the CIVIVI stickers with it, the booklet and manual, and also the microfiber cleaning cloth. So it comes in a nice package. You don't just get the blade and in a box. You get some goodies with it as well, which is quite nice. And there it is. So let's get into the knife. So it features a blade length of 3.75 inches, so that's 95 millimeters. The closed length of the full knife is 4.70 inches, 119 millimeters. And it has an overall open length of 8.45 inches, which is about 214 millimeters. Got quite a broad drop point style blade with a satin finish, and as you can see, the Damascus there just looks beautiful. That's Chinese Damascus. This really is a gorgeous blade, and it fits really nice ergonomically in the hand. It is a liner lock blade, and the liner material is black stainless steel. And the pivot assembly is stainless steel ball bearings, so it's really easy to flick open and close. It's just got such a smooth action. It really is a nice knife for the value. The blade hardness is 59 to 61 HRC, and the blade got a blade thickness of 0.118 inches, which is about 3 millimeters. So yeah, that sums up the CIVIVI Praxis Damascus steel folding knife. That's a bit of a mouthful. In purple G10, we have a wide range of CIVIVI knives available on our website, including the popular Elementum, the Brigand, the Pletheros, the Mastodon, the Dogma, and they're all shipped directly from our UK warehouse. And if you order before 5 PM, we do offer next day delivery. And you can order this from our website, www.tacticalknives.co.uk. I'll put a link down in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. I might even make a video on it if it's a big enough topic. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.